How to lock your emo profile. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. So if you want to add an extra layer of security to your emo account, then here's how you can do this process. But before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Also, now to lock your emo profile, simply go and open up the emo application from your phone, and from the home page, go and tap on this profile icon at the top left, and from your profile, go and tap on security and privacy, and from here scroll down a little bit, and under the privacy you'll get to see the profile privacy option. You just need to tap on these, and under this one you'll get to see the lock profile option. You just need to tap on lock profile, and once you're here, go ahead and enable this feature. Once you do that, your profile will be locked, and once you lock your profile information only visible to your emo contact. Other user can only see your username in the profile. Hope you find it very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.